good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube, and this is the foundation course, Forex Trading Course 101. Remember everybody, trading is a learnable skill when we learn the correct way. The three pillars. Pillar number one is the market, and we're trying to learn about the market with the basic module, market structure, highs and lows, beginner module, support, resistance, pivot points, candlestick formations, and we are in the intermediate module learning about the Fibonacci's. Pillar number two is the strategy. Talking about the strategy, everybody, more in the advanced module, and as always the big one, it's called the trader, right? And talking about the trader more in the Forex course 202. As always, what do champion beginner traders always say? Champion beginner traders always say that I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And you can follow us on YouTube. This is the name, Professional Forex Trader Academy. Instagram, Real FX Passion, so still the old nickname. And Facebook, FX Passion Trading, everybody. Also remember that 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. The streams are not investment or trading advice. And also remember that if your way is not working, why don't you try ours, right? And for homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow us on TradingView. Hello Allah, how are you? Okay everybody, so let's open NZD USD, clone chart, NZD USD, NZD USD. In the meantime everybody, is anybody in here who wants to share the homework? Remember I gave you clone chart. This is going to be GBP USD for another day, right? Did anybody do the homework, everybody? You had a few currency pairs, and we're talking about to check the direction, right? USD CAD, AUD CAD, I believe it was Canada JPY, maybe Euro JPY, right? Anybody? In the meantime, NZD USD, and we're going to go on the daily chart, right? Okay. Question, everybody. This is the daily chart. Where should we start our down Fibonacci? Where should we start our original Fibonacci, everybody? Should we start where? Should we start at the first circle? Should we start our down Fibonacci at the second circle? Should we start our original Fibonacci in a downtrend? It's a tricky question, right? I'm going to trick you. It's a tricky question, yes, sure. Where should we start looking for our original Fibonacci in a downtrend? First circle, second circle, third circle, or no circle? And remember, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. And in the meantime, any questions about the original Fibonacci, about the ABCDs, about how the extensions relate to the series retracement, about what is an A, what is a B, what is a C, what is a D? Nobody did the homework, huh? Allah says first one. Nope. Everybody, let's go, right? We don't have time, right? Let's go. Everybody, none of those, Allah. NZD USD, you go on the monthly chart. Everybody, never forget. It doesn't matter what kind of time frame are you looking to get the Fibonacci straight. You need to go on the monthly. You are going to find the monthly bands, and you are going to circle your absolute high, your highest high, your first high, and then you go on the daily. See how easy it is to lose with the Fibonacci, everybody? How easy it is to lose with the Fibonacci? So this is the starting point. Oh, right? Always start from the monthly bands. GBP USD too. You know, if this is the what? This is the 1 hour chart. Everybody, you go on the monthly chart first. You go on the monthly chart, you compress the chart, GBP USD, and you see that this was the lowest low. This is where you start your Fibonacci on the 1 hour chart. Now if the market breaks DA and reverses, this is then another story, right? Hello Julius, how are you? Okay, so this is the starting point on the 1 hour chart. One more time. If the market breaks the Fibonacci or not, then this is another story, right? Like in here, the market, of course, on the 1 hour chart is going to break the A, whoops, right? So this is your Fibonacci, and just quickly, right? So you are going to start somewhere in here, but then you are going to readjust your Fibonacci something like this, and then you're going to readjust your Fibonacci something like this, and in between you're going to notice that the market is going to stop you out, right? So you're going to find another one, but it doesn't change the fact that you always start from the monthly bands. We are still here, here. Okay? Now NZDU, yes, let's zoom in. Okay, so NZDUSD, right? This is our, and again, most likely the market is going to break our A, so we are going to start from the next. Sorry, I didn't do the assignment, yes, but I will, no problem, don't worry. Okay, so ABCDs, we are going to check if the market breaks as soon as possible our first down Fibonacci, and this is our A text, this is our B text, this is our C ABC text, this is our D ABCD, and black horizontal line, something like this. This is our A, our B is the first low as soon as possible. After the A, clone horizontal line and spread the Fibonacci retracement tool from B to A, right? And then green goes to green, Fibonacci retracement tool, green goes to green, and this is the new sequence, ABCD. This is the C, and down in here this is the D, right? And then we learned about that A goes to C, something like this, and we learned about that the B goes to the D, right? Now we can zoom out and see and check if the market is going to stop us out. And as you can see, everybody, here the market is going to stop us out on the hour down Fibonacci. Okay, so you can see Fibonacci is not 100%, it's not going to win every single time, but it is going to win 7 times out of 10. Okay, so we are not going to waste in here up and down, we are going to start our Fibonacci from the next highest high, absolute high, starting point of the downtrend. And those are the horizontal lines. We're going to zoom in the chart. Okay, so finding the original Fibonacci in a downtrend, you always start from the monthly bands. This is a rule. Everybody make sense? So this is our A and horizontal line. This is our B, right? AB, Fibonacci retracement tool. We are going to spread A to B. There you go. And the first sequence is this one, ABC. A C is the highest point inside the AB boundary after the B before the market hits the appropriate extension. Some of you are sending me emails that you have a difficult time seeing the sequence. Well, you can connect A to B, B to C, and then the D must be a low. Everybody make sense? You can do something like this on JForex and something like this, and you keep track. Make sense? A, B, C, D, and then as always A goes to C, something like this. This is the A, this is the C. A goes to C, and of course B goes to D, right? This is our B. Fibonacci retracement tool. We're going to spread the Fibonacci retracement tool, everybody. Okay, and this is the chart right now. Okay, which one is the C, everybody? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Or is the third circle the C? Which one is the C? And don't be shy, everybody, we don't bite. Make sense? The first circle is the C, the second circle is the C, or is the third circle the C? Which one is the C? First circle, second circle, first circle. Patrick, first one. Very good. Correct answer. And which one is the D, everybody? Is the first circle the D? Remember, the D must be a low in a down Fibonacci sequence. Or is the second circle the D? This is the C. If you are having a hard time keeping up with the sequence, just connect the A, B, C, D's. Make sense? Have your horizontal lines to move A to C, B to D, but otherwise have also the polyline connecting the ABCDs, ABCDs, ABCDs. Olufemi, first one, very good. What about the D? What about the D, everybody? The D is the extension related to the C retracement, and it must be, in a down Fibonacci sequence, it must be a low. And some of you are making mistakes, everybody. Some of you are making mistakes because you have your charts like this. Make sense? Fibonacci is a very precise tool, so it would be wise, everybody, that you increase the chart to the point that you can clearly see highs, lows, and if the market did hit or touch different levels. Make sense? Which one is the D extension? The first circle or the second circle? See, if the first circle appears to you the D, you can put another horizontal line on the green level, and you are going to see, wow, right, the market did not touch the green level. So if you would wrongly see, not judging anybody, this is a level of skill, and you would put your next Fibonacci like this, you have a wrong Fibonacci sequence. Make sense? Why? Because if you put your Fibonacci like this, then you would see that blue or even red here, red up in here, the market hit the red, you know, and your extension, and then the market of course broke. The market broke the Fibonacci, but otherwise you would have your D extension at the red down in here, and you would connect your Fibonacci in the wrong way. So this would be ABC, right? And you would say, oh, you know, this is the blue or this is the red and this is, when otherwise the green, the extension is down in here. I would have the wrong stop level. Yes, you would. See everybody how difficult it becomes if we are not precise. So ABCD, this is our D extension down in here. The first circle did not hit or touch the green, so this is our D, right? And there we go. B goes to D, right? B goes to D, and our A goes to C. Our A goes to C. And another Fibonacci retracement tool, A, B, C. We are going to connect A, B, C, D. Moving forward. Now A, B, C, D, right? Okay. Something new to learn today. When you are charting the Fibonacci and something like this happens, what should we do? Okay, we are going to learn something new today. Still the same lesson, finding the original Fibonacci in a downtrend. We want to find our Fibonacci sequence until down in here. Where is the market right now? We want to understand, is our Fibonacci, is our original Fibonacci on NZD/USD up and we should look to buy, or is our Fibonacci on NZD/USD daily chart down and we should sell? Make sense? This is why we are charting right now. So you are charting, you know, you could be charting an uptrend, up Fibonacci sequence, and the market, when you are charting, the market takes you out, the market stops you out. When this happens, everybody, the Fibonacci, the down Fibonacci is not valid anymore, okay, and we are going to reverse our Fibonacci and we are going to start drawing the up Fibonacci. Okay, so let's write this down. Rules. Those are the rules. Okay. If it happens that the market breaks our Fibonacci, we must, not we should, not we could, we must reverse our Fibonacci and go the other way. Okay, everybody? If it happens that the market breaks our Fibonacci, we must reverse our Fibonacci and go the other way. English grammar, if the market breaks, there you go. Okay, so this Fibonacci is not valid anymore. Okay, so A down in here, B down in here, C down in here, circle out. This Fibonacci is not valid anymore. Okay, everybody, where should we start our up Fibonacci? On the first circle? Should we start our up Fibonacci on the second circle? Should we start our up Fibonacci on the third circle? Or should we start our up Fibonacci on the fourth circle? Somebody just typed, I don't know. Follow the rules. Follow the rules. Most of you have a picture about the rules. In an uptrend, up market wave, the A is the first low, the absolute low, the lowest low of the uptrend or up market wave. So should you start with the first low, the first circle, the second circle, the third, or the fourth? Boss, should we change the direction of our Fibonacci every single time that the market stops us out? Answer, yes. Olufemi, fourth circle. Olufemi, if you are starting your A in here and the rule is stating that your A in an uptrend must be the first low or the absolute low or the lowest low. Olufemi, does the fourth circle look like to you the first low or the lowest low or the absolute low or the starting point of an uptrend on up market wave? Shola, first, absolutely. Makes sense, everybody? You must follow the rules. Otherwise, Fibonacci is going to be difficult for you to master and to make money. Make sense, everybody? The first circle, absolutely. So arrow out, circles out, circles out. This is our A, the first circle. This is our A. We are going to increase the chart. We are looking for up A, B, C, D so far. Up A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Now, if this is our A, which one is the B? Is the first circle the B? Is the second circle the B? Or is the third circle the B? Or is the fourth circle the B? Which one is the B? See, everybody, what Olufemi is saying? First circle looks like it will stop out the Fibonacci sequence. Everybody see this guy in here? This is the challenge. Make sense? Our teachers, our mentors are teaching us the rules and the concepts, but we are thinking something different. Oh, but it looks like that this is high and this is the low, and it looks like the wave and it looks like the trend. Make sense, everybody? Follow the rules. You don't choose the rules, everybody. Make sense? Follow the rules. What are the rules saying? What circle is the B? First circle, exactly. A, B, Fibonacci retracement tool. Everybody clone horizontal line. Now, which one is the C? We found the B, we have found the A, we found the B. Which one is the C? Is the first circle the C, or is the second circle, the C, which hit and broke the out of the red level, but it did not touch the black one. If you don't see clearly, increase the scale of the chart. Which one is the C, everybody? The first circle or the second circle? Which one is the C? Which one is the C, everybody? And don't be shy, there is no right or wrong. First circle, second circle. Second, very good. All of you are correct. Second one. Okay. And again, if you have a difficult time, just connect the polyline A to B, B to C, yellow color, transparency, bigger like this. So this is the C. Now, which one is our D? Is the first circle the D, or is the second circle our D extension? Everybody, is the first circle, let's put the A down here, increase the scale of the chart. Green goes to green, blue goes to blue, red goes to red. Topless, I love the name, Topless. Love the nickname. I'm sorry, I didn't want to offend you, you know. maybe it's pronounced differently. Number 2, love the name. Even if you pronounce topless, I'm going to call you topless. Love the name, love the name. Great. First circle, Julius. Yes, sir. Now, this exactly. Okay. Oh, but it didn't hit the red. It hit the red, everybody. It hit the red, but it did not stop. Remember from the previous lessons? Hit the red, didn't stop. Went up, 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 and bam, formed a high. Right? So this is our D extension. And we are going to connect the A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. First circle is the D, yes sir. Okay, now our A goes to C, right? A goes to C, and our B goes up to D. A, B, C, D. This is our B. Fibonacci retracement tool from B to A. And we have another Fibonacci sequence. Okay. Now, which one is the C, everybody? Is the first circle the C? Is the second circle the C? Or is the third circle the C? And we can draw a horizontal line, right? Horizontal line just for us to see which one is the third circle. I mean, which one is the C, everybody? Is the first circle the C, is the second circle the C, or is the third circle the C? By the way, monthly downward Fibonacci on the Lambo trade is done. We are now in an uptrend from the Fibonacci perspective. Oh, let's check this out. No, Patrick, no, we are still working on monthly down Fibonacci. Patrick, see Patrick here. See in here, Patrick. This Fibonacci is still valid. The market didn't hit the A, didn't stop. Okay, Patrick. CHF JPY, the monthly downward is still valid. Lambo not over yet. NZD/USD, first circle. Wow, everybody, congratulations to you, you are learning. Excellent, very good. The first, oh, but the third one it's lower. It doesn't matter because blue goes to blue and the market hit the blue. Blue goes to blue, the market hit the blue retracement and it went up and hit the blue extension. Okay, everybody, you need to learn well those concepts and those rules. Okay, so this is our new B. ABCD. This is our new A. A goes in here, B goes up in here, right? And the Fibonacci retracement tool. And as you can see, everybody, the market is going to stop us out on this one, right? This is where the market is going to stop us out on our up Fibonacci. In here, the market broke the A level. It can touch, but it must not break. Okay. Patrick is asking, the B is higher referred to what currency pair, Patrick? So here the market is going to stop us out, and for us not to waste the time to drawing another down Fibonacci, okay, we can see how the market is going to work, right? The market is up in here, sideways. Let's compress the chart. Up in here. This is the daily, right? Okay, everybody. Now, when you see something like this, okay, but pay attention, you must do this work before. Okay, you must do this work in order for you to understand, okay, the market is going to stop me out on the A, but Fibonacci retracement tool, which is the first, but it's no point for me to start drawing and wasting my time, okay, on the Fibonacci sequence of the uptrend, because I can clearly see, everybody, this market is going to stop me out in here. Agreed, everybody? You are going to spread your yes, this is the work that you should do. So the market, somebody's typing, you're going too fast. Okay, very slowly. So this was our last Fibonacci in here, right? Give me a second. One more time, everybody. Give me a second. And black color, there you go. So this is our last Fibonacci, up Fibonacci, and the market stop us out in here, right? Okay. Now, if I zoom out the chart, if I move the chart forward, we can clearly see, step by step, we can clearly see that there is no point of me drawing a down Fibonacci because the market stop us out. Double arrow this time. Because the market stop us out down in here, there is no point for me drawing a down Fibonacci, down ABCD, because we can clearly see that the market is going to stop us out again in here. So this would be then the A, the down AB, right? This would be the down AB. Down AB. So the market stop us out on this one. This is not valid anymore. This one, it's not valid anymore. Give me a second, everybody. So this is not valid anymore. Now we're looking at this one. There is no point of me doing this because we can clearly see that here the market is going to stop us out again. So this is not valid anymore either. Okay, not this one, short line, not valid anymore either, right? Not valid. So I'm going to spread this one, you know, this is our next up Fibonacci this time. A, and I'm looking for the first high, and the first high is up in here, right? A, B, C, D's. And when I'm moving the chart and looking what is going to happen in the future, you know, and I'm moving my chart, compressing the chart, everybody, do we agree that the market is going to stop us out? The market is going to break our A? You have the red arrow pointing at. Do we agree, everybody, that the market is going to stop us out? Patrick is saying the B is higher, Lambo. Actually, I switched from monthly to weekly chart, which puts B higher. Yes, from the weekly, yes, and then carry it on the sequence on the weekly. Everybody, don't mix apples with bananas. Make sense? Patrick is correct. You don't have a down Fibonacci on the weekly, but you do have a down Fibonacci on the monthly, talking about CHF JPY. Okay, everybody? The monthly is okay, the weekly it's up. Tomorrow, yes, sure, tomorrow we can talk about, we're going to draw Fibonacci's tomorrow on CHF JPY, right? Yes, NZD USD. Okay, very good. Now, if this is something that you see, everybody, where we are going to start our down Fibonacci, at the first circle, Julius, Olufemi, second circle, third circle, or fourth circle. Where should we start our down Fibonacci? Which one is going to be our A? Agree, thanks for clarification. Everybody, please ask questions, okay? This is how we learn. If you're in doubt, ask questions. Don't be shy and think, oh, I'm going to ask a stupid question. There are no stupid questions. And remember, we have class today and tomorrow, and then we're going to be back 1st of August 2023. No, 2022. It would be too much a year of vacation, you know. Topless, second. Patrick, fourth. What are the rules saying? Where are the rules? Canada JPY, not in here, right? So, out this one. Fibonacci rules ends the cat. Everybody, we learn those rules. In a downtrend, down market wave, the A is going to be the first high, the absolute high, the highest high, the starting point of a downtrend. Topless does the second circle. Does the second circle looks to you the first high? Or the second circle does look to you the highest high? Does the second circle look to everybody to you the absolute high? Does the second circle looks like to you the starting point of a downtrend? Okay, topless? Does this make sense to everybody? Some of you are new to the show. Please go back to Dukascopy YouTube webinar page and watch all the lessons over and over and over again. And please send me pictures, you know. Okay, everybody? You have my email down here. Send me a picture, you know. Hello FXFreedom, how are you? Would you be so kind and check on my Fibonacci on USD CAD or NZD CAD or whatever time frame? Okay, everybody, so the fourth circle is the correct answer. This is the highest high, the absolute high, okay, the starting point of the downtrend, right? And if you are thinking, oh, but this is the starting point of a downtrend, or this is the starting point of a downtrend, please go back to Dukascopy YouTube webinar page and start to learn. Those are not downtrends. The market wave is up, extension, retracement, extension. Those are retracements. Okay, everybody? We've been telling you, if you are new, it's okay. If you are not new to the show, everybody, we've been telling you, watch the streams 2 or 3 times. Watch the same stream 2 or 3 times. Make sense? Because once we get to the intermediate module, it's going to get more and more and more complex. Now some of you have a challenging time because you didn't learn well what are highs and lows, what are trends, what are extension, what are retracements. Now we have a challenging time, right? Learning about the Fibonacci. We are going to go on vacation until August, everybody. Take this month and learn. I mean, I'm not your father, you know, if you ask me. So, this is our A up in here one more time, right? This is our A, this is our double click, this is our B. Text in here, double click, this is our C. Not sure if you're going to finish today, if not tomorrow. This is our D. A, B, C, D, one more time, A, B, C, D sequence. Increasing the chart. Horizontal line, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Okay, everybody, which one is our B? Is the first circle our B, or is the second circle our B? Down in here. Which one is the B? Olufemi, my question, observation, when talking about Fibonacci in charts, we need to mention the time frame in our report, just as in other pattern like trends or ranges. Answer, Olufemi, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, everybody, you need to mention what time frame, right? Okay. Which one is the B, everybody? First circle or second circle? Don't worry, there is no right or wrong, don't be shy. First one, yes sir, correct. So clone. This is our B, very good, excellent. Out the first circle, this is our B, and Fibonacci retracement tool, we're going to spread from B to A, connect B to A. And no brainer, right? This is our C, is the only point inside the AB boundary after the B before the market hits the appropriate D extension. Which one is the D? Is the first circle the D? Or is the second circle the D? Or is the third circle the D? Which one is the D extension? Green goes to green. Which one is the appropriate D extension? Olufemi, first circle, yes sir. Julius, first, yes. Shola, but we supposed to finish course 101 before going for holiday. No way. No way, Shola. The 101, it goes for a year. You wish, huh, Shola, to finish the course in 3 months. Not that easy. There is a lot of stuff to learn. Ala says third, Patrick second. Topless second, Ala second. Very good, everybody. The second one, right? The second one is the correct one. You are learning. Congratulations to you, everybody. This is your D. And as always, if you want, keep track. A to B, B to C, C to D, right? I believe this one is lower, right? This candle in here. And A goes to C. And of course, B goes to D. Fibonacci retracement tool. Connect B to A. Let's move forward. So this is going to be our C, right? Now let's see if we can learn about the D extension again. Everybody, which one is the D? Is the first circle the D, or is the second circle the D, or is the, man, down here, the third circle? Which one is the D? Zoom in, right, a little bit. Zoom in to make the candles bigger. A, B, C, D, B to C. It must not be the same candle, everybody. It's a sequence, so this is the C. What circle is the D? Green goes to green. First circle, second circle, or third? Some of the messages are getting late, everybody. Olufemi, I'm not sure about which one are you talking about, the last sequence or the second sequence? Which one is the D, everybody? The first circle, the second circle, or the third? Topless says second. Olufemi, maybe second one too? Second, Patrick. Draw a line to check if first one touches. There you go. So the line is not going to touch the first one. Everybody, I'm going to tell you something. Please take it as a joke. All of you are going to lose right now. All of you are going to lose money right now. Everybody, pay attention. So the first one, okay, did not touch, right? Pay attention, everybody. All of you are saying the second circle. Is the second circle a low? Everybody, yes or no? All of you lost money. And you might be thinking, no, I didn't, because the market is falling down. You lost money because you are not learning. And you are not paying attention to the details. Patrick says, aha, third one. Yes, sir, congratulations to you. Julius, don't ask me why. You are the teacher, Julius. I'm the student. Is the second circle a low? Hard to see, exactly. We are teaching everybody. Some of you are going to cry back, oh, Fibonacci doesn't work. Fibonacci, oh, I lost with the Fibonacci. You lost Fibonacci because you are not precise enough. Julius, do you see a central candle with two candles on the left and two candles on the right with high or low values? Exactly, not a low. Everybody, you need to pay attention on this, okay? Don't draw Fibonacci's. Oh, this is the A, this is the B. Okay? And some of you might be thinking, oh, I'm not a precise person, or oh, I was never a precise person, or oh, even in high school, you know, I was not a precise person. Or you get precise with the Fibonacci, or forget about the Fibonacci. It's that simple. Make sense? If you are not precise enough, you are going to lose with the Fibonacci. How come, boss? Because you are going to have the wrong sequence. Everybody, does this make sense to you? Okay, we're going to finish for today. Homework. Finish your NZD USD. I'm going to leave it on the chart. Finish your NZD USD daily Fibonacci by yourself, and tomorrow we are going to check it. Okay? We are here, and so far we are here, and you should be, until tomorrow, you should tell us or have on your charts. It's going to take you more or less an hour, maybe 2. Okay? To do all the sequencing, up and down, until you come down to here. Most likely, you being precise, double check, triple check. It's going to take you most likely an hour or 2 to come to here and to check with everybody else where is, at what level is your A, what level is your B, what level is your C. Make sense? Yes, this is the homework until tomorrow. Okay, everybody, stay strong and trade for freedom until tomorrow. You want to be free, right? This is FX Freedom signing off. Thank you for your time. See you back tomorrow.